What is up, everybody? Monster Jam Fanatic here, and today we have a new update for Monster Truck Destruction. We're going to be taking a look at all the new trucks. There are 4 trucks, and they are 4 unofficial Monster Jam type of trucks, and you'll understand what I mean when we go over the 4. So obviously, quite a few years ago now, we got the Grim Monster Truck, as you can see right here. This is obviously a spin-off of Gravedigger. You don't have to be a brain surgeon to understand that this is an unofficial Gravedigger truck that they put in the game, because obviously they don't have any failed licensed trucks in the game. So Grim is basically Gravedigger, and it was a pretty cool truck. A lot of people liked it. It was 99¢, but now, as of I think Christmas Eve, maybe Christmas Eve, a few days before Christmas at least, they came out with this new update with 4 new trucks. And the first few days you actually couldn't buy it. It was so weird. Every time you'd hit buy, it would just say purchase failed or whatever. I got the update the day it came out, but it wasn't letting me buy it. But as of yesterday, I believe, or the day before of recording this, you're not able to buy them. They are all $3 each, and there are 4. So here's the first one. You're looking at the Great White. This is obviously based off Megalodon. Actually, is pretty accurate looking to the real Megalodon. The body's a little big compared to the chassis and tires, but you'll see that in a second when we get these trucks bought and put them on the track. So the second one is the Crazy Bull, which is literally the English translation of El Toro Loco. This one actually does look pretty cool. I do have to give it that. The horns are all wild looking, and it's a pretty cool concept, obviously based off the El Toro Loco truck, but red and yellow instead of the orangish. It's more red. They did do a good job on the design. They got a little creative on the hood and made a custom 3D type hood. That El Toro Loco, this one's pretty cool actually. I may actually prefer this over the El Toro Loco hood, but you can see the nostrils on the hood and all that. But again, we'll take a look at it in a minute. And for these final 2, this first one is Maximum Destruction. Kind of reminds me of the 20th Maximum Destruction Max D that is coming up this year, body wise. But I do like the side. Look at that, like the skull with the guns. That's insanely cool. So I do like this one. This is obviously based off the older Maximum Destruction because there's no spikes, but this one in the game is called Maximum Retribution. I don't know, man. And then the final one is, I guess, the modernized Max D, but this one's all crazy looking. Look at the tires. There's like metal scraps along the ridges of the tires. That is insane looking. This one's called Monster Destruction, and it has this weird wing on the back, but this one actually has spikes, and that skull on the side is sick as well. They got really creative with these trucks, and I do have to give them props. So we're gonna buy these all real quick. Take me a second and let me buy all these. Here they are in all of their glory now that they are bought. Here is the Monster Destruction, Maximum Retribution, Crazy Bull, and Great White. So as you can see at the top right, we got a good 2.5 million just about. So we're gonna go to the garage and watch how quickly this money goes when we upgrade it, because we're gonna go straight into upgrades and make sure all of the performance mods are up to the very best. And I still didn't have enough money to upgrade everything. Dang, I'll be right back. And over $2.8 million later, we were finally able to get enough money to upgrade all 4 of the trucks. As you can see at the top right, they are all at 1,375 horsepower. There's those 2, and then Crazy Bull, Megalodon. Now I think it's time for us to give these trucks a little freestyle run. Each 4 of them one run. We'll pick a track in a second, and I will catch you guys at the end. Enjoy the freestyle runs. So there you go, guys. Thank you guys for watching. And if you were to ask me if these 4 trucks are worth $12, honestly, I'm gonna say no, because you can literally get like Monster Jam Steel Titans 2 off Steam for like $10. That is less money than these 4 trucks. I mean, they're 3-piece, so 3 times 4 is 12. So that's technically more than what you can get Monster Jam Steel Titans overall for. So like, I know Monster Jam Steel Titans isn't anything to compare to Monster Truck Destruction, because this game is obviously better. But like, that's just my point. Like, I think it should have been 99 cents still instead of the $3 like Grim was. But with that said, tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Tell me if you guys have gotten this pack yet, or not pack, but like these 4 trucks yet, and if not, are you going to? And they are out now, so go on Monster Truck Destruction if you want them now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like, comment, and of course subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.